Today's vehicles are full of high current devices requiring heavy and expensive copper wiring. To boost performance and reduce packaging size, many OEMs are considering moving devices from 12 volts to 48 volts. A 48-volt architecture offers many advantages. For starters, the required current to deliver the same power to a device reduces dramatically. Power can be provided at 48 volts using only 1/4 of the current that would be required for a 12-volt system. This enables weight and package size reductions and increases power delivery efficiency. The benefits of 48-volt systems are achieved while keeping the maximum system voltage below 60 volts, limiting shock hazard and safety concerns. Aptiv offers a wide range of 48-volt connectors that address the unique requirements of 48-volt architectures. Sealed connectors are recommended to protect from the risk of electrochemical corrosion. Higher voltage potentials make electrochemical corrosion more likely, but a robust sealing solution mitigates these concerns. Designs that meet IEC standards for creepage and clearance are implemented to prevent risk of arcing or creepage in Aptiv 48-volt connection systems. Terminal secondary locking eliminates the risk of terminal pushout. Aptiv's wide range of 48-volt connectors are well suited for various applications. For lower power connections and signal applications, CTS 1.2 Sensomate and Apex 2.8 sealed connection systems offer safe, industry-standard solutions. For higher power levels, Aptiv offers sealed ring terminals for a simple connection strategy supporting higher power delivery. For power applications where a full connector solution is desired, Aptiv offers our PowerPack LV connectors. These include connector position assurance and support simple mating of power connections in a vehicle. With our 48-volt offerings, Aptiv is helping to ensure the safety and reliability of systems that will play a key role in the future of mobility.